often need to save a part or portion of a circuit and use it to insert to your new drawing. First of all, I open a demo drawing which contains circuit. To do that, in the Edit Components panel, from the Circuit drop-down, I'm going to choose Save Circuit to Icon Menu tool. The Save Circuit to Icon Menu dialog box will be displayed for me. There are many saved user circuits here. In the upper right corner, there is Add option, and when you select it, you can create new circuit. So choose it and the new dialog box will be shown. Here you can type a name for your new circuit, and then if you want to specify an icon for it, you can insert image file to do that. Beside this edit box, you have browse button to search for desired image, and also by using pick button, you can use current icon in your drawing. In the File Name Edit box, you can specify the file name for the circuit. When you do that, you can see the location which is determined for your new circuit. After specifying your parameters, you can choose OK, and then you will be prompted in the command line to specify the base point. In this part, you have to select the objects, and it can be done by selecting the objects one by one or by drawing a window to choose all objects simultaneously. Then press Enter as you see the new circuit will be added here. So choose the OK to save the all changes.